Now this is question number 9. Say the total number of products including stereomers. That is the question. Total number of products including stereomers on monochlorination of this product. Cis 1 comma 2 methyl. See, this is what? Cis. This is cis 1 comma 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. And one more is there, 10th question, that is trans. Actually this is very difficult question. Okay, so I took around 30 minutes to solve this question. First let me explain the character of this compound. Here both are above the plane, cis, otherwise below the plane. But here what? The stereochemistry, both are chiral, the stereochemistry of these carbon atoms is fixed. Are you getting my point? Not changed. Now say, is this two carbon atoms? See, is these two carbon atoms are same or different? Now let's see the stereochemistry. I am explaining here the stereochemistry here. So first we have to see, is this two carbon atoms are same? Same in stereochemistry or different? Suppose for this you have to draw the RS configuration. See here below the plane is hydrogen, here also below the plane. This is. See the first priority goes to here, first priority, and here the second priority, this is third priority. See 1, 2 and 3. See R you are getting, and below the plane, lowest priority is below the plane, yes, you are getting R, yes. Now see here, is it R and S, higher priority 1 here, this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. So this is 1, 2, 3. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. So this is, you are getting what? S. So stereochemically these two carbon atoms are different. This is R and this is S. That's why it is optically inactive. There is what? Plane of symmetry is there. See, plane of symmetry and optically inactive. Suppose if you see the trans, this is above the plane and here below the plane. Now see, is this two carbon atoms are stereochemically same or not? See here, this is, we are getting what? 1, 2, 3. This is R you are getting because below the plane. Here what? Above the plane is H. See here what? This is 1, 2, 3. See here, you are getting S. But see the lowest priority is above the plane. So it means this is R. So these two carbon atoms are identical. In trans 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane, these two chiral carbon atoms are stereochemically same. But in the cis, the two chiral center are stereochemically different. So when you do the monochlorination on these two carbon atoms, you will get the two different products. Understood? This is the difference between cis and trans. This is very important concept. Okay, now let's draw the structures. So if you do the monochlorination, okay, the first here I am writing here A. See, if you draw the structure, this is above the plane, here also above the plane. Here chlorination is there. One product is possible. So one more product here also you can do, because both carbon atoms are not same, both are different. So here means in the A you will get the two products. Here see this also, these two are not same, these are the different, both are, because these two carbon atoms are having the different stereochemistry. Okay, now see B. Here this is above the plane, here above the plane. Chlorination may be possible here, see here. And when the chlorination takes place at this point, so free radical mechanism will take place, sp2 hybridize, it means that chlorine may be below the plane or above the plane. The stereochemistry of this carbon change, but this stereochemistry of this carbon does not change. So here one more possibility is there. See, this is below the plane and here above the plane. but stereochemistry of this carbon atom does not change. Yes. Now see here, this is above the plane, does not change stereochemistry, but here it will change. One, because these two carbon atoms are stereochemically not same. Now here same, does not change. Here there is above the plane Cl and below the plane CH3. Here also 2 we are getting. Now see here D. In the D what you are getting? See, this carbon atom also different, because the adjacent to this carbon atom S carbon atom is there, adjacent to this carbon atom R stereochemist is there. It means in the D, see here CH3, now CH3. Yeah. If you do the stereochemistry here, see here, this is chiral center. Here you are getting 2, one above the plane, one below the plane, and A, B, C, D and E, C. You can write the stereochemistry of this carbon atom does not change. But see here we already done. Now here also 2 you are getting, one below the plane, one above the plane, because these both carbon atoms are not same. Here also 2 you are getting. Then F. See here, these two carbon atoms again. See, these two carbon atoms over, and these two carbon atoms. Here also above the plane, this both carbon atom is over. Now here 2 you are getting. Now in the G case, CH3, now CH3. See here, this carbon atom is different from this carbon atom also different. Now you are getting here Cl. Here also 2. Here one is Cl is above the plane, in the second below the plane. Here also one above the plane and below the plane. Here also above the plane, below the plane. Yes. Now count the stereomers, count the isomers including stereomers. This is a little bit difficult. Now see here, 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So the right answer for this compound is 14. This is the total isomer. Important question, that is monochlorination of cis 1,2 dimethyl cyclohexane. Answer is 14. Yes, right on. Now we'll explain the trans. Okay, now see the 10th question here. Here this is what? Trans. Same. The number of products including stereomers on monochlorination of this compound. Trans 1,2 dimethyl cyclohexane. So this is what? Trans. And here what is the stereochemistry here? See here. This is higher priority 1, 2, 3. So you are getting R. Here higher priority 1, 2, 3. S. But lowest priority is hydrogen above the plane. So this is stereochemically same. So if you do the monochlorination, both are same. It means you will get here only one product. This is Cl. Only one product. So if you do, this is equal, identical, because if you do the chlorination, here both are identical, only one product, because both are same, having the same configuration. This is A, one you are getting. See here B. In the B, so this is both carbon atoms same, it means only one carbon atom. Here see, one you will get, one more. In this case, this does not change, and here this will change mirror image below the plane, and Cl is above the plane. Okay, now see here, maybe C. this carbon atom same. So it means this carbon same, this carbon is same. So here also. So this is chiral center again. Are you getting my point? Here also 2 you will get. Now D. Because both carbon atoms are same. Now CH3. Now CH3. Actually this is initially optically active. There is no plane of symmetry. Now this carbon atom, both are same. So now you will get again 2. So now count here. How many you are getting? See, this is what? These are the not 2. These are the identical. So 2, 2, 2. Total 6. 6 plus this is only 1. Total answer is 7 is the right answer. Now these are the problems based on monofluorination part. Okay, now I will give some homework problems and also I will give some RS configuration. 2 examples I will give for the RS configuration. Okay, write down. Okay, now see, these are some important question also. So in the number of counting the stereoisomers, I included also this one, RS configuration. Relation between these two compounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 questions is there. That is question number 11. 10 we already finished. They are giving A and B. They are asking the relation between A and B. 4 options. For every question you have the 4 options, but I wrote only for the one question. A is identical, B is enantiomer, C diastereomers, and D structural isomers. Like positional, functional, tautomers, like that. See, first before the finding the relation between these two, first give the numbering. According to IUPAC nomenclature here, this is 1 and this is 2. 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. Now here see, find the RS configuration. What is the RS? Higher priority goes here 1, this is 1. Second here 2 and this is 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1 minute. See here, this is now first give the IUPAC numbering. This is 1 and this is 2 you are getting. See RS configuration, the first priority goes to Cl, then this carbon atom, then this carbon atom. So now here see, you are getting what? Clockwise, and lowest priority is below the plane. So here this is what? R. And see in this case, this is 1, 2, 3. Lowest priority below the plane. This is what? S. So according to IUPAC, numbering 1 and this is 2. It means 1R and 2S. So here according to IUPAC nomenclature, see, this is 1 and this is 2. So give the RS configuration 1, 2, 3. See 1, 2, 3. Here this is what? Below the plane H. So this is S. Here this is 1, 2, 3. This is R. Now here also 1S and 2R. See what is the relation? See 1R and here 1S. It means mirror image. And this is 2S. This is 2R and mirror image. It means these two molecules are mirror image. So it means what? Enantiomers, mirror images. Not identical. They are look like identical. Most of the students put this answer identical, but these two are what? Enantiomers. Now here see, IUPAC according to 1, this is 2. Higher priority goes to here, then second priority, here what? 1, 2, 3, R you are getting. See here this is higher priority, here this one you are getting. Then second priority. So this is S, but this is actually R. Why? Because lowest priority is above the plane. So it must be below the plane. So reverse you have. Okay, now in this case here this is what? 1R, then 2R. Here first priority 1, second, according to IUPAC rule 1 and this is 2. First priority this one, second priority, see first, second, third, S. But lowest priority hydrogen is above the plane, so it means R. And here also 1, 2, 3. See, this is R you are getting. See, lowest priority below the plane R. So this is what, again 1 R, then 2 R. So both are identical. These are the what for this question. Identical is the answer. Okay. Now in this case, see here, this is 1, this is 2. The higher priority, Cl goes to higher priority, then this carbon atom, then this one, because this is the tertiary. So 1, 2, 3. This is R, and the lowest priority CH3 is above the plane. So this is S. Now in here the lowest priority is H. So 1, 2, 3. So this is S you are getting, because lower priority is H. And here what? 1S, 2S you are getting. So this is 1, this is 2. Higher priority 1, 2, 3 and 4. S you are getting, but this is R. Why? Because lowest priority CH3 above the plane, it must be below the plane. That's why we reversed. So this is 1, 2, 3. R you are getting. See, lowest priority below the plane, R you are getting. This is 1 R, then 2 R. Exactly mirror image. These 2 are what again? Enantiomers. Okay, the next, see, this is one Nurburing structure. Here the hydrogen is the Nurburing. This is below the plane, and here this hydrogen is above the plane. Here this is below the plane, and here above the plane. So we have to find the relationship between these two. See here, at this carbon atom, higher priority goes to here 1. Actually this is 2. Now this is 3, because see, this is carbon attached to tertiary and this carbon atom attached to secondary. So this is carbonyl group. See, 1, 2, 3. This is what you are getting. 1, 2 and 3. This is what S you are getting. Okay. So now in this case, what you are getting, see, higher priority here 1, and second priority this 2, third priority, and this is fourth priority in this carbon, at this carbon atom. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again S, but see here lowest priority is above the plane, so it means you are getting this is R. So now if you give the numbering, IUPAC numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1 S and 4 R you are getting. Okay. Now at this carbon atom, this is again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, higher priority at this carbon atom, this one, second priority, and this is third priority. So 1, 2, 3. This is you are getting S, but actually this is what? Lowest priority above the plane. So you are getting what? R. Okay. Now at this point, higher priority is this one, second priority again same, and third priority 1, 2, 3. This is S. At S you are getting, because lowest priority is below the plane. So here also you are getting 1 R and 4 S. See, 1 S and here 1 R, and this is 4 R, 4 S. Exactly they are mirror images. And again the relationship between these two compounds is again enantiomers. Understood? These 4 questions are also very important. Okay. So write down these 4 questions, how to find RS configuration. Then I will give some homework problem to find the number of products including stereomers on monochlorination of different compounds. Make it fast.